Hello everyone, I'm Marcus. Welcome to My Locks News. Before we begin, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments in the comment section. Let's dive into the Tesla analysis. Today is Thursday, June 29th, 2023, and I'm here to bring you the daily Tesla report. About 5 weeks ago, Tesla settled above the top of the long-term descending channel at 197.24, which indicated that the 2 to 3 month target would be the top of the ascending channel at 277.69. This target was achieved in about 3 to 4 weeks, allowing a reassessment of the all-time high of 414.49 possibly by the end of the year. However, as we anticipated, Tesla has had trouble maintaining this momentum. I mentioned how, once we tested the top of the ascending channel at 277.69, we could fall back to the 180s and 190s in terms of long-term support. There's no signal for that yet, but it's certainly allowed in terms of the normal rotational highs and lows in the medium-term time frame. Remember, if you enjoy this analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's continue with the analysis. If we close above 277.69, that should maintain an accelerated bullish dynamic as we move through the rest of the year. Under that scenario, I would expect the all-time high of 414.49 to be reached in about 3 to 5 months. That would be by the end of the year if we close this week above 277.69. In the short term, after coming out of the channel top at 278.18 on the daily chart, this market has a lot of room to fall to 224.86 over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We could reach that point by the end of next week. However, if we close below the ascending speed line at 224.86, that would signal long-term support in the 180s and 190s in another 2 to 3 weeks. As for today, we have short-term support in the range of 248.37 to 248.97. This range can contain sales until next week, and, above it, we can rally back to the 278.19 area over the next 3 to 5 days. On the upside, if we push or open above 258.85, 267.06 is within reach. That's the long-term descending speed line that we pushed last week. If we close today above 267.06, I think tomorrow we would likely reach the channel top again at 278.19, which can absorb buying until July. On the downside, if we close today below 248.37, selling pressures could increase not only tomorrow, but also early next week. Closing today below 248.37, I see a 3 to 5 day target once again at 224.86, where we could bottom out possibly through July. From there, we could bounce back to the 270s and 280s within several weeks. If we close below 224.86, that would certainly clarify the range of 182.21 to 197.24 as the target for the next 2 to 3 weeks. As I've been saying, as we tested the upper 270s last week, I mentioned that this is the prime timing for buying out of the money put options because those options get a little cheaper as you rally away from them. That's all I have for today's Tesla report. I hope you enjoyed this analysis and it provided you with valuable insight. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I would also love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel, My Locks News, for more analysis and content. Until next time, have a great night.